Hey friends, welcome back to our channel and welcome if you're new. I'm Angie and I enjoy sharing different projects we have going on around our home. In today's video, I'm going to be sharing fall homemaking in October. Should be a fun video to just share a glimpse into our home and things that I do to get ready for the fall season. I hope you'll join us. One of the first things that I like to do in our spaces when I'm decorating for fall is to plant fall flowers. I love to be surrounded by beautiful flowers, and the fall colors are so beautiful and calming to me. I like to sit out in our outdoor spaces surrounded by these beautiful flowers, and I also like to care for them. I like to water them and just make sure that they are thriving, and it just brings me such peace to have beautiful flowers all around our home. So I encourage you, if there is only one thing you do for fall decorating, plant some beautiful fall flowers in your spaces. When it comes to decorating our indoor spaces for fall, I always like to start with a clean slate, and there is nothing quite like fall cleaning. I make sure that everything has a deep clean before I put out any fall decor on the inside of our home. Which brings me to the sponsor of today's video. Dovety is committed to delivering high quality products to their customers, and they are the sponsor of today's video. This is the cordless electric spin scrubber by Dovety. It is great for all of your cleaning needs, and it has made my fall cleaning easier. I love the Dovety Electric Spin Scrubber because it provides a clean environment with little effort. The Dovety Spin Scrubber comes with 8 replaceable brush heads and 3 adjustable extension handles. It also has 2 adjustable speeds. The spin scrubber came just in time for my fall cleaning, and I couldn't wait to try it. The adjustable heads are easy to attach to the scrubber, and I chose the sponge brush, and it just attaches with Velcro. It's almost like a magic eraser, and I chose this to clean my kitchen and to really clean my sink. I added a little Dawn dish soap to my sink to help with the scrubbing, and keep in mind that the scrub brush is waterproof. You can get the brush head wet, but do not submerge the scrubber in water, and do not get water on the charging port. I love to have a clean sink after I finish all of my kitchen duties, and the sponge brush really helped me to obtain that. It made my sink really shine, and I was not disappointed in how well the electric spin scrubber worked. It did the hard work for me, and the handle is comfortable to hold and is very durable. The sponge brush did such a great job cleaning the sink that I went ahead and cleaned our countertops. The countertops often get a little bit grimy and greasy from plates or dishes that are set on them, and the sponge brush did a great job getting that clean. And I also used this on the backsplash, and it really was able to give it a deep clean with not very much effort from me. The sponge brush also did a great job on the backsplash behind the stove. This is something that I constantly am cleaning, but I don't feel like I ever get it completely clean. And with the sponge brush, I feel like that I got a deep clean and it is squeaky clean. I love a clean stove, and I probably clean this stove twice a day because I just love how it looks when it's nice and clean. And it's probably because this is the first new stove that I've ever had, and so I keep it super clean. But I was impressed with the sponge brush because it got all of the streaks out of it, the ones that I have not been able to remove. And it got all those out, and now it is beautiful, and it just shines when you look at it. And just for good measure, I also cleaned the stove grates. I had some tough stains in my sink around the drain area, and I just thought they were there to stay. But I tried out the tip brush just to see, and yep, they came up and the sink looks brand new. I just cleaned around the drain. It had some stains, and then it had some stains up around the side of the sink, and the tip brush removed all of those. I didn't even use any soap. I just used the residue of what was left in there from cleaning it earlier, and it really got the sink shiny and looking brand new. and I was really impressed with this because I really thought the stains were there to stay. That was very encouraging with this spin brush. I was so excited at how clean it got this sink that I took it into our bathroom and focused on the drain area and really cleaned it with this tip brush, and it's sparkling clean and looks beautiful. I was so impressed on how well the spin brush was cleaning everything that I changed to the cloth brush, and I wanted to shine up my refrigerator. It gets a lot of fingerprints on it, and this cloth brush did wonders and cleaned it up nice. One of my favorite features of the electric spin scrubber is the telescoping arm. It has a long length like a mop, so that means that if you don't want to, you don't ever have to bend over or get down on your knees to scrub your floor ever again. And this is really good for when you're scrubbing grout, but it also can reach up high for things that you need to clean, like your walls or anything that's up high. It also has a medium length when you don't need it completely extended, and then the handheld length, which is perfect for everyday cleaning. I like the electric spin scrubber more than conventional cleaning brushes because it does the hard scrubbing for you. With 2 modes of cleaning, you can choose the slower mode for everyday cleaning and the fast scrubbing mode for areas that need more scrubbing. Because the scrubber can clean better than hand scrubbing, I feel like my spaces are cleaner. The Dovety Spin Scrubber is chargeable and comes with its own charging cord, making it convenient and easy to use. If you would like a spin scrubber for yourself, you can shop through our links and save 10% off of your purchase. This would make a perfect gift for anyone, or it would be perfect to have in your cleaning arsenal. Check out the Dovety Spin Scrubber through the link in our description box below and purchase you one today. I know that you'll love it as much as we do. A lot of my fall homemaking time is spent in our kitchen preparing meals for our family. Fall to me just means comfort food, and so I enjoy making some of our favorite meals to share around the kitchen table with my family. It's just an expression of love from me to them to just prepare these meals for them. And my husband and I were both raised on home cooked meals around the kitchen table, and it's a tradition that we wanted to pass on to our children, and we have enjoyed it so much, and our girls look forward to it every single night. Fall is also a great time to get out all of those soup recipes and grab the crock pot and just have some wonderful soup with your family. I like to decorate our kitchen for fall, but I like to keep it minimal and our kitchen functional. So I found this little brown pitcher at Target recently, and I just changed out the green to this warm brown to hold our kitchen utensils. I also look forward to decorating this end of our island every season, and I just keep it simple with just a thrifted crock and some wheat, a pumpkin, and I like to display store-bought goodies in a beautiful way. So I just use a glass plate and pile my cookies on top of that plate and then top it off with a cloche. Let me know in the comments some of your ideas for fall homemaking and how you make your home beautiful for the fall season. Well, friends, that wraps up this video. I hope that you enjoyed it. If you like this type of content, please give us a thumbs up. It helps out our channel so much. And if you haven't already, please hit that subscribe button and hit the bell for notifications when we have a new video that goes live. We have lots more fall decor coming your way for inspiration and tips for decorating your own spaces on a budget. As always, thank you so much for watching, and I'll see you again in the next video. Bye-bye.